Hi guys, welcome to my channel Karma Varma Readings. So today we'll be doing a relationship advice for Librans, uh, and let's see how what they need to be in their relationship, and then what advice can the angel, spirit guides, and God can give. What messages? So currently your partner is working maybe on their finances, um, and making trying to be stable and very independent as well. I even see that they are working on this relationship and they want to make things work with the Eight of Pentacles here. Uh, they're really looking forward to make a new start. Um, they are working so that they can work, so they can build a family with you all, with the money which they get, Librans. Or this could be your energy as well. I see your partner offering you something soon, or you want to offer them. Relate how the energy is resonating with you all. There's some big offer coming your way from your partner, or you want to give. I think it's your partner's energy. They want to give you something. Could be a marriage proposal, a house together. Yes, either could be either things, house or a marriage proposal with the Ace of Pentacles. There's a need of patience right now. There's a lot of patience energy in this relationship. You guys are patiently waiting how things are unfolding and how things are progressing in life. Again, it's for the longer run. It's for the bigger picture is what I'm seeing and what I'm feeling as well. In the cards they also show this Ace of Pentacles. Do you see how he's working to get the Ace of Pentacles, like the togetherness, the family, the build up, a life together, stability, abundance in your marriage life, the after marriage life which you guys will have. With the Temperance here, there needs to be an equal give and take. The balance is required. Maybe one person is working too much and the other person is only trying to work on the bigger picture, or just patiently waiting when the right time arrives. This is also what I'm saying. But with the Page of Pentacles, I see an offer coming, and the Page of Cups. There are new beginnings which are going to start, and your partner is slowly opening up, Librans. There is some addictions which needs to be released, but eventually I do see success in this relationship because there needs some healing because Temperance is needs an equal give and take and balance. Maybe one person is only working on their finances and the other person is they want a long term commitment. There needs to be, you guys need to be on an equal page. But yeah, there needs, if you guys are obsessing about each other or one person is too much obsessive, you need to let go of it, because obsession leads to nothing but it's your own torture. You're building your own torture. Yes. But yeah, there's a lot of new energy coming in your love life. Let's see what the Venus cards has for you. With the Page of Pentacles, your partner realizes, or you realize that it's a very beautiful connection together. and your partner might offer you something which is very beautiful, and you'll be surprised, is what I heard. Let's see what Venus and Mars cards have for you. This is for women. Once a man experiences a woman's appreciation, his resistance to doing more melts away. Wow, it's a very funny thing about men's psychology, probably. Like when you start praising your man, he lacks interest of doing more because he knows that you're gonna appreciate him no matter what. So there is this energy of a woman need to not appreciate their man much. It's funny though, but that's how I think men work, and that's how these cards are. The book which is written by John Gray, and I saw 555 on the clock. Make a wish. Let's see, get one more card from Mars and Venus cards. What do we need to know? Okay. When a woman, this is for men. When a woman is upset, she needs to be heard, not fixed. So, yeah, this is for men out there. When a woman is sad and not at her best feeling, she just wants to hear. She just wants you to hear about how she's feeling and how her day was, and not she doesn't want a fixation on this. She just wants you to hear and sit and patiently hear her. It's as simple as that. So be patient with her, listen to what she wants to communicate with you, and yeah, that will make her feel very happy and really content, like somebody's there to hear her and is there for her. Make sense? Okay, let's see what your person's higher self message for you. Letter D could be significant. I even saw an O for some reason. G, maybe God is trying to fix this connection. A, A could be significant. Dag, Gad, anyway. And their higher self message for you is, you make my heart skip a beat. Wow. Maybe they haven't told you this. Maybe when they see you, their heart like skips a beat and their heart starts running faster. So you may make my heart skip a beat. Such a beautiful message. And when they look at you, they're just like in awe. And they might think you're the most beautiful person on this earth. Yeah. That's all I have for you, Librans. Love you all. Take care. Have a great day. Enjoy the festive seasons if you're in India. And yeah, we have Ganesh Chaturthi coming up from tomorrow uh, till next 10 days. So yeah, Ganesha, if you guys know Ganesh Chaturthi, Lord Ganesha's festival for 10 days in India. Beautiful, it's so much of fun. And it's very big in Maharashtra. So yeah, I've been enjoying that. So you guys take care, love you all. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, Karma Verma Readings. And yeah, take care, bye.